Oh God, it's big. Oh my God, oh, it's big. Too big. Too big.
It's just freaking out.
Oh my God. Okay, sorry. I screamed. I shouldn't scream. That's a perfect little space. Okay, that's a perfect place for it to chill. A. B. Why is its leg hanging out?
Because it's holding on.
Oh God, is it a baby?
It can fly.
Oh God, it wants to peck at us. It wants to eat us. Okay, I'm gonna go. What kind of bird is that? Should I turn the light on? Or open the window? Oh no, look here. Let's just open these.
No, because
It's a bird flying. Oh, I'm out of here. Don't. Oh, thank you. Kanye, where are you? No, I can't help. I'm sorry. Just need to get the cat. Kanye, kitty. I can get my cat, then she can open the window and let it go. Oh my God, I'm gonna have a Oh my God, why is that thing gotta keep flying? Just stop. What are you trying to do?
I have to get it out of here.
Where are you trying to do with that? What's the plan here? Oh my God! Oh fuck, it's so close to me. Oh my God. Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna go lock myself in the closet. Tell me when it's over. Oh. What's wrong?
It's just a bird.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh my God, there's a bird.
Yes, there's a bird.